Let's get real. You're not living the life you deserve, and you know it. Deep down, you feel it. And honestly, you've got nobody to blame but yourself. Every day, you tell yourself, tomorrow will be different. Guess what? Tomorrow's here, and you're still stuck, still scrolling, still watching everyone else live their dreams while you're just existing. You've got excuses on repeat, don't you? I'm tired, I don't have time, or the classic, I'm waiting for the right moment. Spoiler alert. The right moment doesn't exist. It's not coming, just like nobody's coming to save you. Let's get specific. You're busy? Busy doing what, exactly? Refreshing Instagram every 10 seconds? Watching Netflix until it asks, are you still watching? Oh, you click yes, because quitting the binge is hard, but quitting on your dreams? That's easy for you. Bravo. Listen, life doesn't care about your excuses. Either you show up and hustle, or you stay stuck. It's that simple. Excuses are just fancy lies. You tell yourself to feel better about doing nothing. And the worst part? They're not fooling anyone but you. Here's the truth. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a discipline problem. You're sitting there, waiting for some magical motivation to hit you like it's Uber Eats. Newsflash. Motivation doesn't knock on your door. And even if it did, what would you do? Wait for a better mood to answer it? You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Discipline is doing the work when you don't feel like it. It's showing up when nobody's watching. It's waking up early while everyone else is snoozing their way to mediocrity. Stop searching TikTok for life hacks. Success isn't a filter you can slap on your life. It's a grind. You've got to earn it step by step. If you're not ready to bleed for it, stay right there in the comfort zone where nothing grows except regret. All right, let's drop the formalities and talk straight. You want to know why you're stuck? Bro, let's break this down. First, you're addicted to comfort. Be honest, man. The moment something feels uncomfortable, what do? You back off, right? You'd rather chill in your cozy little bubble than face the heat. But let me tell you something. Comfort is the enemy. It's like a drug. Sure, it feels good now, but it's killing your potential. Growth? That only happens when you're uncomfortable, when you're grinding. Second, you're scared of failing. And don't even try denying it. You're so worried about messing up, about looking stupid, that you'd rather not try at all. But let me ask you this. What's worse, failing and learning, or doing nothing and staying the same? The only people who never fail are the ones who never try. And trust me, they're the real losers. Third, you care too much about what people think. Let me guess. You're scared of being judged, huh? Scared of hearing, what's he doing? Bro, who cares? Most of these people don't even have their own lives together. They're just waiting for someone else to screw up so they feel better about themselves. Forget their opinions. They're not paying your bills or building your dreams. Focus on your grind, not their gossip. Here's the thing about winning. It's not glamorous, and it's not Instagram-worthy. It's ugly, repetitive, and lonely. Most people are too lazy, too scared, or too distracted to do what it takes. Don't be most people. While everyone else is arguing over the latest Netflix show, you need to be working so hard they start arguing about how you made it. Winning isn't about luck, it's about consistency. You want more money? Work. You want respect? Earn it. You want success? Show up, even when it sucks. And if that sounds hard, congratulations. You've just figured out why you're not successful. But here's the good news. If you do what's hard, your life will be easy. And if you keep doing what's easy, your life will be hard. Your choice. All right, bro, enough with the talk. Let's get real. You've got these big dreams, right? But let me tell you something about dreams. They're useless without action. Nobody cares what you want to do. What matters is what you actually do. Here's the game plan. Step 1, pick one thing you've been slacking on. It could be your studies, your fitness, your side hustle, whatever. Just pick one. Don't overthink it. Step 2, break it down. What's the next 30 minutes look like? Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Maybe it's opening a book, hitting 10 push-ups, or writing that first idea down. Keep it simple. Step 3, actually do it. No, I'll start later. The second this video ends, get up and make it happen. Prove to yourself that you're not all talk. Most people won't do this. They'll hear this advice, nod along, and go right back to their old habits. But not you, right? You're better than that. Or are you just another dreamer? Nah, I don't think so. You're still here, which means you're serious. So let's see what you're made of. Show me you're about action, not excuses. The next move is yours, man. Make it count. All right, enough talking. If you're serious about improving your life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stick around, because excuses don't live here. And if you're ready to take it up a notch, check out my next video on my morning routine. I'll show you exactly how I set up my day for maximum success. It's not just a routine, it's a game changer. So stop hesitating. Click on the next video and let's start building the life you deserve. But only if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing. Let's do this.